Pi Network's price drop. What's really going on? Guys, today we need to have a serious talk about Pi coin. The price just keeps slipping, and the big question is, why is Pi continuously falling? And when can we expect a reversal? Investors are getting nervous, the markets are reacting, and speculation is everywhere. But don't worry, because in today's video, we're breaking it all down. We'll dive into the key reasons behind Pi's price drop, the latest updates from the Pi Core team, and most importantly, what's next? Is this just a temporary dip, or is something bigger happening? But before we get into all that, I want to hear from you. Do you think Pi coin will recover soon? Or are we in for a longer bear phase? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you've missed any of my previous Pi Network updates, be sure to check them out. Links are in the description below. Now let's get the comment section fired up. Type Pi Network to the moon, along with your country name, so I know where my fellow pioneers are watching from. And of course, if you want to keep getting the latest Pi Network updates, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It really helps us bring you more content. Quick disclaimer. This video is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Before we begin, I have some exciting news. If you love stories, I've got something special for you. Check out this channel for unlimited storytelling content. Make sure to subscribe. The link is in the description. Also, I'm thrilled to announce that we now have a Telegram group and a Facebook page where you can stay updated on all things Pi Network and other crypto news. Join us, the links are in the description. Now let's talk about Pi coin's price action. Right now, Pi is trading at 89 cents, which is shocking considering that earlier this year, it was at $3. That means it has dropped over 69% from its high, definitely making a lot of investors nervous. Meanwhile, the broader crypto market is actually recovering. Other altcoins like Kronos Crow are surging, yet Pi is still struggling. So, what's going on? Why is Pi underperforming? First, let's get one thing straight. This is not unusual for newly launched cryptocurrencies. When a coin first hits the market, it goes through huge price swings. Big investors buy in early, traders ride the hype, and then as soon as the momentum slows down, some people cash out. This creates a natural price correction. But does that mean Pi coin is doomed? Absolutely not. There are three major factors affecting Pi's price right now, and we need to break them down one by one. The first big issue is market uncertainty. Recently, the Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) meeting caused a lot of turbulence in the broader crypto market. Investors were worried about interest rate hikes and inflation, which made people cautious about speculative assets like Pi. While this concern is mostly settled, the damage was already done. Many traders panicked and sold off their holdings. Next, we have concerns about Pi's total supply and circulation. Right now, Pi has a 100 billion total supply, and around 6.84 billion Pi is currently in circulation. While some tokens have been burned through unverified accounts and transaction fees, there hasn't been a large-scale token burn, and that's making investors nervous. A huge concern for traders right now is the upcoming token unlocks. Over the next 30 days, 99.3 million Pi tokens are set to be released into circulation. That's $100 million worth of Pi entering the market. The biggest unlock will happen on April 3rd, when 6.8 million tokens will be released. Then, even bigger unlocks are coming in April, May, and June. Naturally, people are worried that these unlocked tokens will flood the market and push prices even lower. But here's the mistake most people are making. Not every unlocked token will be sold. Many of these tokens belong to long-term holders who aren't looking to sell anytime soon, so while short-term traders are panicking, smart investors are staying put. Another major disappointment was the Binance listing delay. The Pi Network community was overwhelmingly in favor of a Binance listing. 87.1% voted yes on February 27th, but Binance has yet to make any announcements, and that's made some investors lose confidence. However, here's what most people don't understand. Tier 1 exchanges like Binance don't list tokens when the price is surging. Think about it. Why would Binance buy Pi at $3 when they can accumulate at 89 cents or lower? These exchanges wait for clear price stabilization before making a move. Right now, Pi is hovering around a key support level at 85 cents to 89 cents, which is why Binance is waiting. If we see consolidation throughout April, we could get a listing announcement soon, but if price keeps dropping, Binance will wait longer. This is the golden question. Will Pi coin bounce back? The short answer, yes, but it's going to take some time. Right now, traders are in panic mode, but long-term holders are staying strong. The best way for Pi to recover is through major catalysts like a Tier 1 exchange listing like Binance or Coinbase, a massive token burn to reduce supply, and solving the migration and decentralization issues to boost investor confidence. These three things would change everything for Picoin and drive demand back up. But until those things happen, expect more volatility. That's just how the market works. One important thing to remember, Pi Network is not a short-term hype project. It's been building for over 6 years, and the core team is focused on long-term adoption. Yes, the price drop is frustrating, but let's not forget that many successful cryptocurrencies faced similar struggles in their early days. The ones who held through the dips, they made the biggest gains later on. If you're here for the long run, patience is key, as the journey toward a fully developed Pi Network ecosystem is still unfolding. With innovative projects being built, strategic partnerships forming, and real-world use cases steadily emerging, Pi's utility is continuously expanding. As adoption grows and more businesses integrate Pi into their operations, the network's foundation will strengthen, paving the way for a more stable and widely accepted digital economy. Staying committed through this phase of development could prove rewarding, as the true potential of Pi becomes clearer over time. As more businesses and individuals integrate Pi into their transactions, the network's adoption is expected to grow, gradually strengthening its economic foundation. This increasing participation could lead to greater liquidity and a more stable ecosystem, paving the way for mainstream acceptance. As the Pi economy matures and its infrastructure becomes more robust, its true value may become increasingly evident, potentially exceeding expectations and surprising even the most skeptical observers. Market fluctuations and uncertainty are natural in any cryptocurrency journey, but those who understand the long-term vision of Pi Network know that success isn't built overnight. Staying informed, engaged, and optimistic during this phase could be the difference between giving up too soon and reaping future rewards. On the other hand, if you're feeling anxious about selling, take a step back and reflect. Do you truly believe in the project? Investing in any digital currency requires conviction. And if doubts are outweighing your confidence, it might be worth reconsidering your stance. However, if you do believe in Pi's potential, this is the time to stay strong. Many early adopters of successful cryptocurrencies faced similar uncertainty, yet those who held on through the rough patches often saw significant gains. The key is to focus on the long-term vision rather than short-term price movements, and trust the process as Pi Network continues to evolve. Alright, Pioneers, that's a wrap on today's update. We covered why Pi's price is dropping, what's causing the selling pressure, and what needs to happen for a recovery. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think Picoin will bounce back soon, or do you believe the worst is yet to come? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you have any questions or insights, feel free to share them. I always check the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Your support keeps us going and helps us bring you the latest Pi Network updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.